Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Always a pleasure having you in the kitchen. If you're new viewers, definitely welcome to my channel. I do weekly videos. Please consider subscribing by hitting that red subscription button. Also the notification bell. You'll be the first to notify soon as I upload on the video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make super amazing, delicious Chowmin recipe. Plenty of ingredients. Let's check it out. Hey guys, as you can see what I have is a list of ingredients for the dish. Of course, all these ingredients will definitely be pinned in the description of the video, so you can always check it out. Chicken breast. What I have is about 2 pounds. Sweet bell pepper, cabbage, long green beans, pretty much diced in small cubes, parsley, carrots, pak choy, white cabbage, spring onions. And also, what I have is a pack of Chowmin. Of course, a different brand and variety. If you have a specific brand that you're comfortable using, feel free to use as well.